Technology is an art. GW Innovation is more than new products or ideas. It's about paving the way for the future, about inspiring and achieving tomorrow what couldn't be done today. It's about the little details, reliability, design, and performance. Innovation is embedded in our DNA, delivering state-of-the-art equipment that supports the evolution of your business. When you need something that doesn't exist, we will design it, because innovating is what we do best. GWI, your reliable and trusted partner for design, fabrication, and most important of all, innovation.